Hello and hi everyone. In this video, my groupmate and I will talk about GitHub. So, I will introduce you my groupmate, which consists of me, Ahmad Afaiz bin Oslan, Wan Muhammad Aziz, Cham Izwan, and also Yabunawati. So, in this video, we will cover about how to install GitHub and how to use GitHub. And what is GitHub? GitHub is a website and cloud-based service that help developers to store and manage their code, as well as track and control change to their code. So we're moving to show you how to install GitHub. Okay, in this process, I will show you how to install GitHub. And of course, we have to search GitHub first on Google or other browser and choose the first one. Okay, so it will bring you to another tab, the homepage of GitHub. So this is where you have to sign up for GitHub if you don't have an account. Okay, so we sign up and we key in our email, password, and also username. Okay, for my example, and continue, and also create a password and also username. Okay, since I already have an account, okay, so I have to just sign in. Okay, sign into the account. Okay, so just put in my name, Afaiz, and also my password, and tada, we inside the GitHub. Okay, so how to install GitHub inside our desktop? Okay, so we choose this one, desktop tab. So we show us this page. Okay, so if you are using Windows, just click this button, and if you are a Mac user, just choose this one, Mac OS. So download for Windows. So we wait for the download to be done. So once the download has been done, just double click it. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, tada, here we go, the GitHub for desktop. Okay, so we're moving on how to use the GitHub.
Hello, my name is Yamnavati Somsundar. My ID number is CB18042. So for my part, I'm going to explain how to create a new repository in GitHub and how to add collaborators. So to add a new repository, I just need to press File, New Repository, and then what are the name that I'm going to place? PHP Login Management System. So the description, simple login management system using PHP MySQL. And then this is the local part. Local part, for in my project, I have placed it in the XAMPP because I'm going to use XAMPP server for MySQL. And then I initialize the repository with readme, which I will explain about the projects. And then this is a git ignore. What are the files that git should ignore? For now, I'm going to press none and none for the license. And then I press create repository. So I need to click publish. To check whether our repository created or not, we can check in our desktop. So I will refresh my repository. Here it is, updated 30 seconds ago, PHP login mentioned. It's still in private because we fixed previously in private. So to add a project into the repository, there are so many ways, but for now I'm going to show the way of add and drop. So these are the project that I'm going to add into our new repository. So I will simply place and Control C. So it will add it. So we will go to our GitHub desktop. Here we show the changes. So project. So I have to push origin in order to make sure all the file is transferred. Okay, so to check all the files have installed correctly or not, we can go to the desktop in GitHub in Google and press the repository. So here we can see all the files have successfully uploaded. So to add collaborators for this, we need to go to the settings. For our add collaborators, we have to go to the manage access. So this is where we will add the collaborators. We have to press add people and then we will add. So it will send an invitation using Gmail. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Shin. Today, I'm going to explain about the branch in GitHub desktop and the way how we make changes on GitHub. So after the process of clone repository, there will be a branch in the project automatically. The first branch in the repository is the default branch, which is the main branch here. Then user can open another branch in the repository, which means it can let user to work on their own branch, and after that only commit to the main branch. So user can add new branch at here by clicking the new branch button here. After that, user can give a name to the branch. For example, I enter my name to create a new branch. Just click on the create branch here. Then it will wait the new branch to create it. So it's a show mention branch is created here. So for the next step, user can start make changes for the project by using any text editor. For example, I use Sublime text editor to show. So in order to make some changes, I try to delete this username and then change it to student ID. In the GitHub desktop, it will show changes that had made by user. The green line here shows that the code had been added, and the red line here shows that the code that have been removed. Once you have done or satisfied with your work, user have to commit changes to the main. They can update. Let's say they update the register page, add some description onto it. Then they can click the commit button here to commit. That means it already commit. So after that, it will just click publish branch, and then this will publish the branch to the GitHub.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Haziq, and my metric number is CB19001. For my part, I will talk about on how to review the code on GitHub. So first, you need to click on the pull request, and then you need to click on the new pull request, and then you need to choose which branch that you want to review the code and compare. Then you need to click that branch. So right now you can see the code that has been changed by means1. So you need to click on this view commit details, and right now you can click and you can add any comment on the code that have been changes. Add single comment, and right now is to leave a comment for the whole changes of the code. Thank you.